asserts that dogs can radiate positive energy within a dwelling, or even protect the home from evil spirits. Why do dogs always bring such prosperity? Remember, everything in this world emits energy, and dogs happen to radiate a very positive energy because their purpose is to show love and give nourishment to people. Dogs can even absorb any negative energy surrounding you, and it won't hurt them. Now consider how energy works. Make sure you keep your dog indoors. Wherever the dog physically is where the positive energy is released. If the dog is always left outside, the positive energy will be going away